Cacus. Cacus was a terrifying fire-breathing giant who terrorized central Italy before Rome's legendary founding period. Living inside a cave beneath Aventine Hill, Cacus spread fear through violence and ruthless theft constantly. His greatest crime involved stealing Hercules' sacred cattle while hiding every trace behind deceptive footprints. To conceal evidence, Cacus dragged the stolen animals backward, confusing anyone following their obvious tracks. The clever trick nearly succeeded until frightened cattle answered Hercules with unmistakable cries from inside. An enormous battle followed as Cacus unleashed blazing fire and crushing strength against the legendary hero. Hercules finally defeated the monstrous giant, freeing the stolen cattle and restoring safety across Latium. Roman traditions remembered Cacus as chaos defeated through courage, determination, and unwavering heroic justice forever. Today, Cacus remains Roman mythology's most infamous native monster, guarding darkness before civilization ultimately prevailed. Scylla. Scylla was a horrifying sea monster haunting dangerous coastal cliffs beside narrow Mediterranean waterways continually together. Ancient legends describe Scylla possessing multiple snarling dog heads emerging from her monstrous lower body. Passing sailors feared drifting too close because Scylla attacked with terrifying speed and brutal precision. Virgil warned Aeneas avoiding Scylla entirely while continuing his dangerous voyage toward destined Italian shores. Many traditions claim Scylla was once beautiful before magical transformation changed her forever into horror. Her monstrous appearance reflected tragedy, loss, and irreversible consequences caused by jealousy and divine interference. Unlike ordinary predators, Scylla hunted relentlessly without mercy whenever unsuspecting ships approached nearby waters closely. Roman poets portrayed Scylla as one of the sea's greatest supernatural dangers awaiting careless travelers. Today, Scylla remains Roman mythology's unforgettable symbol of monstrous transformation and deadly maritime terror universally. Charybdis. Charybdis was a legendary sea monster, creating enormous whirlpools capable of swallowing entire ships effortlessly whole. Hidden beneath restless waters, Charybdis repeatedly consumed vast amounts of seawater before violently releasing everything. Sailors dreaded passing nearby because even experienced captains struggled escaping her destructive watery currents safely. Virgil advised Aeneas choosing longer routes rather than risking certain destruction beside dangerous coastal passages. Scylla and Charybdis together created one of mythology's most feared maritime obstacles for ancient navigators. Escaping one monster often meant drifting dangerously closer toward the other impossible threat unexpectedly instead. Roman writers used Charybdis representing overwhelming disasters, leaving almost no safe choices during desperate circumstances. Her unstoppable whirlpool demonstrated nature's terrifying power beyond ordinary human strength or careful preparation alone. Today, Charybdis remains Roman mythology's legendary embodiment of unstoppable danger lurking beneath peaceful seas forever. Harpies. Harpies were terrifying winged monsters combining human faces with powerful birds of prey frightening travelers constantly. Ancient traditions describe harpies stealing food while leaving unbearable filth wherever they suddenly appeared unexpectedly. During Aeneas' journey, these monstrous creatures attacked hungry Trojans, attempting peaceful meals upon isolated islands. Their savage leader delivered a frightening prophecy warning future hardships before Rome's destined foundation finally arrived. Unlike ordinary birds, harpies possessed supernatural intelligence alongside relentless cruelty toward unfortunate wandering victims everywhere. Their sudden appearances transformed ordinary feasts into desperate struggles against terrifying airborne attackers without warning ever. Roman literature portrays harpies, symbolizing unavoidable suffering accompanying difficult journeys toward greater destinies ahead together. Despite their frightening appearance, defeating harpies required endurance rather than reckless pursuit or unnecessary confrontation alone. Today, harpies remain Roman mythology's infamous winged monsters representing hardship, prophecy, and relentless supernatural punishment universally. Cerberus. Cerberus was the monstrous three-headed guardian protecting every entrance leading into the Roman underworld faithfully always. Ancient traditions describe his enormous serpent tail alongside countless venomous snakes twisting across powerful shoulders continuously. His terrifying duty prevented departed souls escaping while stopping living visitors entering without divine permission completely. Even fearless heroes hesitated approaching Cerberus because few creatures matched his overwhelming supernatural strength together. Aeneas successfully passed Cerberus only through sacred guidance during his remarkable underworld journey with divine assistance. Roman beliefs viewed Cerberus protecting natural balance between mortal life and the mysterious realm beyond death. His unwavering vigilance reflected order, responsibility, and eternal boundaries separating humanity from departed souls forever. Artists frequently portrayed Cerberus beside Pluto, emphasizing his loyal service within the underworld's shadowy kingdom continually. Today, Cerberus remains Roman mythology's most recognizable guardian monster, standing eternally before the gates of death. Echidna. Echidna was a legendary half-woman, half-serpent monster remembered as countless terrifying creatures' devoted mother. Ancient Roman writers preserved her fearsome legacy through stories adapted from earlier Greek mythological traditions. Living deep beneath remote wilderness, Echidna rarely encountered ordinary humans during her mysterious existence alone. Instead, she raised monstrous offspring destined challenging heroes, gods, and civilizations across legendary generations together. Many famous beasts traced their origins directly back to Echidna's extraordinary supernatural bloodline and heritage. Roman poets portrayed Echidna representing nature's untamed dangers beyond humanity's complete understanding or control permanently. Despite her frightening appearance, she ruled quietly while her descendants spread terror throughout legendary mythology instead. Her remarkable family transformed Echidna into one of mythology's most influential monstrous ancestors across antiquity forever. Today, Echidna remains Roman mythology's legendary mother of monsters whose descendants shaped countless unforgettable legends. Python. Python was an enormous sacred serpent guarding ancient prophetic lands before Apollo claimed lasting divine authority. Roman traditions described the monstrous snake spreading fear across surrounding regions through overwhelming supernatural presence continually. The creature occupied sacred ground, later becoming Apollo's celebrated sanctuary at Delphi permanently afterward together. Apollo confronted Python using remarkable archery skills, eventually defeating the giant serpent through unmatched precision completely. That decisive victory established Apollo's connection with prophecy, music, healing, and sacred divine wisdom forever. Roman poets celebrated the battle as civilization overcoming ancient chaos through courageous divine intervention, successfully always. Festivals honoring Apollo remembered Python's defeat, while celebrating lasting harmony, replacing dangerous supernatural disorder permanently. Python's legendary downfall demonstrated destiny ultimately favored divine justice over monstrous destructive power consistently throughout. Today, Python remains Roman mythology's legendary serpent, symbolizing ancient chaos, defeated by divine order forever. Hydra. Hydra was a gigantic water serpent growing multiple deadly heads from one monstrous neck continually together. Ancient traditions claimed destroying one head caused several more, replacing it almost immediately afterward automatically. Its poisonous breath and venom terrified every traveler wandering near its dangerous marshland home forever. Roman writers admired Hercules' determination while overcoming Hydra through intelligence rather than strength alone successfully. With valuable assistance, the monster's regenerating necks were sealed before additional heads could emerge again. The battle became one of mythology's greatest examples, demonstrating persistence defeating seemingly impossible obstacles completely together. Hydra represented recurring dangers growing worse whenever problems remained ignored for extended periods consistently always. Roman storytellers used Hydra illustrating determination, teamwork, and clever thinking overcoming overwhelming supernatural threats repeatedly. Today, Hydra remains Roman mythology's unforgettable multi-headed serpent, representing relentless danger and extraordinary resilience universally. Chimera. Chimera was a terrifying hybrid monster combining features from several powerful animals into one horrifying creature. Its fearsome body possessed a lion's head, a goat's back, and a serpent's deadly tail. Ancient legends describe Chimera breathing destructive fire capable of devastating everything standing within its path. Roman literature preserved Chimera's terrifying reputation through epic poetry, artwork, and enduring legendary storytelling traditions. The monster represented unnatural chaos because ordinary creatures never shared such impossible combined forms naturally. Heroes confronting Chimera required courage, strategy, and unwavering determination against overwhelming supernatural power continually together. Its unforgettable appearance inspired countless Roman mosaics, sculptures, and decorative artistic masterpieces across antiquity widely. Roman poets portrayed Chimera, symbolizing impossible fears challenging humanity through monstrous imagination and terrifying mystery. Today, Chimera remains Roman mythology's legendary fire-breathing hybrid monster, admired for unforgettable, terrifying design universally. Sphinx. Sphinx was a mysterious monster combining a woman's face with a powerful lion's majestic body gracefully. Ancient traditions describe the Sphinx challenging travelers using difficult riddles before allowing safe passage onward. Anyone failing her deadly challenge faced immediate destruction beneath sharp claws and overwhelming strength mercilessly afterward. Roman writers preserved the famous legend while celebrating intelligence overcoming seemingly impossible supernatural threats consistently always. Unlike ordinary monsters, Sphinx relied upon wisdom and psychological challenges rather than constant physical violence exclusively. Her legendary riddle became one of mythology's most enduring puzzles across countless generations, afterward universally remembered. The creature symbolized hidden knowledge awaiting individuals possessing patience, intelligence, and careful, thoughtful reasoning together. Roman artists frequently depicted Sphinx decorating monuments, tombs, and luxurious villas with mysterious elegance throughout. Today, Sphinx remains Roman mythology's unforgettable guardian monster representing wisdom, mystery, and dangerous intellectual challenges universally. Minotaur. Minotaur was a monstrous creature possessing a powerful man's body and a fierce bull's massive head. Ancient traditions describe the beast imprisoned within an enormous labyrinth designed to prevent every escape attempt. The twisting maze confused visitors until exhaustion left them vulnerable before the relentless monster awaiting silently. Roman writers preserved the legendary tale through epic poetry, mosaics, and impressive decorative artwork across Italy. Its terrifying appearance symbolized humanity's struggle against uncontrolled violence, fear, and destructive inner instincts together. Many innocent victims entered the labyrinth, never returning after confronting the unstoppable beast inside forever. Although defeated by Theseus, the Minotaur remained one of antiquity's most recognizable legendary monsters afterward. Roman artists frequently portrayed the labyrinth, emphasizing mystery, danger, and remarkable architectural imagination simultaneously together. Today, Minotaur remains Roman mythology's unforgettable labyrinth monster, representing fear hidden beneath civilization's ordered surface. Gorgons. Gorgons were terrifying monstrous sisters famous for living serpents replacing ordinary human hair completely forever. Their dreadful gaze instantly transformed unfortunate victims into lifeless stone without warning or mercy whatsoever. Roman mythology recognized three sisters named Stheno, Euryale, and the famous Medusa together permanently. Unlike Medusa, the immortal sisters survived countless legendary encounters across ancient mythological traditions continuously always. Roman poets described Gorgons representing overwhelming terror beyond ordinary human courage or understanding completely together. Their frightening faces frequently appeared upon shields, temples, and armor protecting warriors from supernatural dangers symbolically. Ancient artists believed frightening images could repel evil through powerful magical symbolism and sacred tradition. The sisters inspired fear because merely witnessing them often meant irreversible destruction beyond mortal rescue entirely. Today, Gorgons remain Roman mythology's legendary stone-turning monsters representing terror, protection, and supernatural power universally. Laestrygonians. Laestrygonians were gigantic cannibal monsters inhabiting remote coastal lands feared by ancient sailors continually together. Roman literature describes these enormous beings attacking unfamiliar ships entering their dangerous natural harbors unexpectedly always. Unlike ordinary giants, Laestrygonians hunted humans together using overwhelming strength and ruthless coordinated attacks relentlessly. Their massive rocks shattered countless vessels, leaving almost no opportunity for frightened crews escaping safely. Virgil referenced similar monstrous dangers, reminding travelers every voyage carried unimaginable supernatural threats continually ahead. These terrifying giants transformed peaceful coastlines into places where survival depended upon immediate escape constantly together. Roman storytellers portrayed Laestrygonians representing unknown frontiers hiding unimaginable dangers beyond familiar civilization forever always. Their horrifying legends warned explorers respecting unfamiliar territories despite curiosity and courageous, adventurous spirits continually. Today, Laestrygonians remain Roman mythology's legendary cannibal giants, remembered for relentless brutality and immense destructive power. Cyclopes. Cyclopes were enormous one-eyed giants renowned for extraordinary strength and unmatched craftsmanship beneath volcanic mountains together. Roman mythology closely connected these mighty beings with Vulcan, the divine god of fire forever. Within blazing underground forges, Cyclopes crafted magnificent weapons for gods using incredible supernatural skill continually. Ancient legends credit them forging Jupiter's thunderbolts alongside powerful armor and legendary divine equipment permanently. Despite remarkable craftsmanship, their immense size and overwhelming strength inspired widespread fear among ordinary mortals always. Roman poets portrayed Cyclopes balancing terrifying appearances with unmatched creative talent beneath volcanic landscapes together. The thunderous sounds of volcanic eruptions were believed echoing from their legendary underground workshops continuously forever. Their unique combination of artistry and strength distinguished Cyclopes from countless other mythological monsters permanently. Today, Cyclopes remain Roman mythology's legendary giant smiths, symbolizing strength, craftsmanship, and volcanic power universally. Furies, Dirae. The Furies, called Dirae by Romans, were terrifying underworld spirits delivering relentless divine punishment upon criminals. Ancient traditions describe three fearsome sisters relentlessly pursuing murderers, oath-breakers, and those committing unforgivable crimes together. Unlike ordinary monsters, the Furies represented justice rather than meaningless destruction or uncontrolled supernatural violence entirely. Their frightening appearance included serpents for hair, burning eyes, and dark robes, symbolizing eternal vengeance completely. No mortal could escape their pursuit because guilt followed wrongdoers wherever they desperately fled afterward continually. Roman beliefs taught the Furies enforced divine justice whenever human courts failed punishing terrible offenses properly. Their relentless determination reminded society every serious crime carried unavoidable spiritual consequences beyond earthly judgment alone. Roman poets portrayed the Furies inspiring fear while preserving sacred moral order throughout both worlds faithfully. Today, the Furies remain Roman mythology's unforgettable spirits of vengeance representing justice, guilt, and eternal punishment.